Welcome to East Meadows. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG. East Meadows is a 482-unit condominium project by one of Singapore's leading developers. Join me to tour this generous 1216 square feet 3-bedder plus utility unit that has a cozy contemporary design and take a closer look at what makes this place so special. Far East residential projects are renowned for offering exceptional living experiences tailored to families seeking community and top-notch amenities. With a focus on creating vibrant and inclusive neighbourhoods, they stand out for their family-friendly environments and extensive facilities. As you step through the doorway, you're greeted by a sleek privacy hallway adorned with built-into-ceiling storage solutions, ensuring a clutter-free entryway for your shoes and other items. The hallway leads seamlessly into the expansive living room, bathed in natural light streaming through full-length windows that frame picturesque views of the surrounding greenery. Adjacent to the living area, a cozy dining enclave awaits, perfectly positioned to soak in the picturesque views while enjoying family meals. The half-open concept kitchen complements the dining area, with counter space for a coffee station and bar stools. The modern amenities within include a built-in oven, spacious two-door fridge, and ample counter space for culinary creations. From the kitchen, you can overlook the living and dining areas, fostering a sense of connectivity and openness throughout the home. Venture further and you'll discover a practical yard area, complete with provisions for laundry appliances, with a utility room and a separate restroom. The pièce de résistance of this condo lies in its spacious and inviting living room, adorned with tasteful decor and a cozy corner featuring a piano and a large display shelf. Full-length windows offer captivating views of the pool and surrounding greenery, infusing the space with an abundance of natural light and a refreshing ambience. The overall aesthetic is enhanced by a clean, modern botanical theme. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, boasting an expansive layout, a walk-in closet, and a lavish 4-poster king bed. Wake up to picturesque views of the pool from the comfort of your own sanctuary. The ensuite bathroom exudes elegance, featuring a bathtub and ample counter space for a dresser. The 2 additional bedrooms offer cozy retreats, each thoughtfully designed to accommodate rest and productivity. Whether it's a queen-size bed or a cozy study nook, these rooms offer versatility and comfort. Residents enjoy a resort-like lifestyle with a plethora of amenities such as swimming pools, jacuzzi, barbecue pits, a full facility gym, and 2 tennis courts, all set amidst lush greenery and well-maintained landscaping. Take leisurely strolls amidst towering trees and vibrant foliage, or simply bask in the serenity of your surroundings. We are just a mere 3-minute walk from Tanah Merah MRT on the East-West line. It is also one stop to Expo MRT, interchangeable to Downtown Line and the future Thomson East Coast Line. Just 4 stops away to Paya Lebar MRT, you'll be connected to Circle Line. For drivers, PIE, TPE and ECP are just minutes away. For food options, head over to East Village, Simpang Bedok, Marketplace at 58 and the famous Bedok 85 Food Centre. You have easy access to various supermarkets in the close vicinity as well. There are a multitude of shopping malls nearby on the same MRT line. Parents will be pleased with the range of good schools nearby. If you love the idyllic East Side lifestyle, the proximity to East Coast Park, East Meadows provides the easy access to leisure and amenities. Living at East Meadows truly offers the perfect blend of urban convenience and coastal charm. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing of this beautiful home or to feature your home. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.